Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, let's dive into the exciting world of 5Grams technology. Imagine a future where your devices connect faster than ever, allowing you to stream your favorite shows in seconds, enjoy seamless video calls, and experience lag-free gaming. That's the power of 5Grams. This next-generation network is not just about speed, it's about connectivity. With 5Grams, we can connect more devices simultaneously, paving the way for smart cities and advanced IoT applications. Think about it, your home, your car, and even your city infrastructure working together in harmony. But it's not just for techies. 5Grams has the potential to revolutionize healthcare, education, and so much more, making services more accessible and efficient. As we embrace this technology, we're stepping into a future filled with possibilities. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to follow for more tech insights. Let's explore the future together.